Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. Karon mga higala, ang akong appointment sa COVID vaccine. So samahan ninyo kami mga higala para pakita na ko sa inyo mga higala. So let's go there in Parkington. First dose mga higala, first time vaccine mga higala, and second dose I not know. We not know yet mga higala kung kanos So tara! Okay guys, we heading to Farmington now. Here's RJ. Daddy driving. We go to Farmington Center for vaccine. Okay mga higala, it's traffic. We're now Farmington. The other view. Look at that view. Really? Farmington is booming. Look at this building here. Cabela's.
Is that a sponsor? Mark Jokes Jr.?
University of Utah.
Clinic.
Clinic. Yep. It's Harmons. And there's the building, the blue building. That there, right there. The big building.
Oh, you gonna stay back there too?
Yes. I know. Now to take the shot.
How many
Hi guys. I'm here now guys in the vaccination center.
I'm recording.
Hello.
Hi.
Show that to the nurse when you get up to the station.
Okay.
Just follow the flaggers in the orange vests and they'll put you in the right spot.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Orange. Hi. Hello.
So can you tell me your first and last name and your date of birth? Perfect. And then phone number. And we just want to make sure just in case we need a call about,
Okay.
hey,
Okay.
do some silly thing.
First one,
And this is Pfizer, right?
Yep, we're doing Pfizer. Yep. Yes, it is first.
you can give your last one.
First dose. Is there a difference between the doses? of
There's
theirs?
not.
They're the same.
Nope.
just
Yep.
one
We
and two.
give the same thing to first and second.
Okay.
You okay with your left arm here?
Yes.
That's why she's sitting there.
All right. I will be right back with that.
Okay.
Did you give him the...
Yeah, we have two.
I'm sure that's not the first
All right.
and last.
Go ahead and relax your arm. Yes, I am.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Let it walk away. Yeah. There you go, man. I don't know that you can be pressing. Not the first one. Careful driving. Okay.
All right. And Laura's got some papers for you.
Okay.
Okay,
This
thanks.
is your vaccination card. So just bring that back with you to your second appointment. They should email you in about 2 weeks to make your second appointment, which will be around May 3rd. So
Okay.
just bring that with you. This is V-Safe. It's put on by the CDC if you have a smartphone, or you can go to the website. It's just to help them track symptoms so they can get more data since it's a newer vaccine. So I'll give that to you. You might have some arm soreness, headache, stuff like that. That's all expected. You can take Tylenol or ibuprofen. And did he let you know that you need to sit in the parking lot for 15 minutes?
Okay.
So once you drive out the doors, you'll sit out there for 15 minutes. If you feel like a headache or racing heart, can't breathe or something, just have them honk the horn, and then EMS will come and check you out. Okay?
Thank you.
You're all done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I'm done mga higala.
Worry.
First dose. And then we wait there 15 minutes in outside. Drive through to mga higala.
What time is it?
I not know what time. 4:03 now.
4:08.
409.
4:09.
Today's date?
Where's that?
Where's what? Let me see it. It'll be all over it.
I not see. Okay mga higala. We wait here for 15 minutes.
We go 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. More than 5 minutes. No people. Careful. Okay, here is my shot.
Looks like a dot.
Yep, that's my bakuna, mga higala.
It could be hovering in the air here, you know, come down to your hand.
Here's mga higala, my card.
It's your birthday.
COVID-19 vaccination record card. Yan, Pfizer. There you go. It's April 12, 2011 today. So yan mga higala. Ito ang sa likod ng card. And there is the view. There's people checking the people. Guys, checking if okay or not. There's the people, they check.
I'm going in the back. I'm going to the back. That's it. I'm going to the dump.
There's RJ. You want to go there outside?
Goodbye. I'm going to the roof.
Yes, he's checking people.
This is where my hand is. This is where my hand
Yeah,
was.
people check us. Checking if okay or not in 15 minutes. Have a rescue now. Have a reaction.
Where?
The
There
white car,
is
the white
the
car.
white car.
What's that person doing?
There's the white car of
Just getting out.
people rescuing.
Mommy's been 13 minutes now.
Yes, they're rescuing the white cars.
How do you feel?
It's okay. Here's
It's only
RJ.
been 15 minutes. We gotta go 20.
Yeah.
And actually, 15 was 2 minutes out the window.
Yan, ang mga taong nagpabakuna.
You know that?
What?
2 weeks after the first dose,
Yeah.
you'll be protected anywhere between 50 to 80%.
Yeah.
Second dose brings it up to 90.
Yeah, you have.
So you will have, in 2 weeks,
Upside down.
you will have some protection.
Okay, guys. And now, guys, I asking for Daddy what his experience in vaccination, first dose and second dose. That you can see, Honey Pie.
Yep, it was first dose. My arm was just a little sore at the injection site for like
Yep.
2 days, and then it went away. That was the only side effect I had. Then the 3 weeks later, I got the second dose, and same thing. The arm for like 2 days hurt.
Yep.
But one other thing, I felt very fatigued for a couple days, tired.
Oh.
That was it.
Mm.
2 doses. Now,
Control
Mommy's
from
got
here.
1 dose.
Yep.
And
Today
what-
my
what-
first
what-
dose.
What do you feel? Anything?
Only for the injection, I felt that
You
is
feel a
little
little sore?
bit.
Little sore?
No,
I'm gonna.
not little, sir.
That's if I do
Oh, really?
this.
So you got no side effect.
Yep, only the injection when they put in is little bit hurt. But
Okay.
it's okay. But I not know later. Payag for
You told them that we got Pfizer too.
Yeah, I have Pfizer vaccination.
That's all that's available here.
My
The
vaccination.
Johnson & Johnson is very hard to find.
Yeah. Yeah, much better that Johnson & Johnson only one vaccine,
dose.
but
But can't get it. It's just
Of
It's-
nothing in
it's
Utah.
around this area, but it's
And the clothes.
very rare.
Yeah.
No, the
It's
Moderna's around here though. That's still popular.
Yep. But I like Pfizer compared.
Basically made the same way,
Yeah.
but it's hard to distribute. Pfizer's got to be frozen up to like the day before,
Yep.
at like minus 50 or something.
I will do it for
Special
them.
refrigeration they have.
Yep.
I will click a random button.
And maybe RG next year. I hope have vaccine for RG.
I will click a
For the
random
kids.
button.
The motor
Yeah.
on that mirror
Don't
sounded
do
like
that, the mirror. Okay, go
Make it
now,
sound.
RJ. Okay, let's go now.
I changed my mind.
We go drive around.
It's been 26 and a half minutes.
Okay,
Mommy feel
guys,
good?
bye-bye. Yep,
Nope.
I'm feel okay.
I see 21 sticker and 21 sticker.
Okay, guys, that's it. And we going driving around here. I filming the mountain. See, mga higala, that's not only little bit now. There you go.
What
This is
time
the
they close?
horse.
Maybe at 5.
Yes. Drive through, yan.
No wait. It's kind of relax in your
Yep.
own car. It's
Just
kinda nice.
so quick.
There's a lot of
maybe
places you
few
gotta get out of
minutes.
your car and then you gotta stand in line for 20 minutes.
Yep. University of Utah. What's that, you, honey? Utah?
Yeah.
Utah.
University.
Utah Health. Utah University of Utah Health. There's the horse. See, RJ? Horsey. There's the mountain. And there's RJ. Okay, where are we going now?
Oh, Chick-fil-A.
Boy, going to Chick-fil-A. Building Ventures X. Yep.
I'm gonna get the grilled.
Okay. There is Starbucks.
Chick-fil-A, Starbucks, The Habit,
Yep.
Dollar Cut, Subway, Verizon, Costa Vida, more Habit. I see.
Got the mountain, only little bit snow, guys. Yan. There is building here. Chick-fil-A. There is.
It's empty.
Oh, the train! Front runner, RJ. You ride that before?
Started crying one time, remember? Started screaming. Ah! When he was like 1.5.
Because everybody's scared,
He's looking
RJ.
around, then you realize something must have snapped in your brain. Like, where am I?
He is scared. RJ. Oh, have no people here, and then drive through. There you go.
Thank you for choosing Chick-fil-A. My name is Brianna.
Yeah, I'd like to get the 3-piece grilled chicken strips. They'll make it 4 count. The 4 count chicken strip, and also the
A 4-count chicken strip. Did you want that in the meal or just this chicken strip?
just by itself, and also the 12 count grilled nuggets.
Perfect. Did you want any sauces?
Barbecue.
Perfect. Your total is going to be $13.83 around the corner.
That's a mask.
RJ mask with you. Put mask.
you got a notification.
What?
Look on your watch.
What? What?
Green.
Stop. Okay.
There we go.
Okay, that's good.
Mommy's got to start studying for your test now.
Yep, I'm studying.
Take the test sometime in May.
Yep.
You'll be fully vaccinated by then.
Where is it going to McDonald's? There's McDonald's. Look at that, the tree, all flower, bloom.
Sticky
Ta-da! McDonald's. Look at that flowers.
And what do you want, a quarter pounder?
Still have that there in that.
Well, I gotta get a quarter pounder. Then.
Okay.
You want one or not?
No. A sticky bird. A sticky bird, RJ.
They closed.
I not know. There is waiting. Where's RJ? He's sleeping
Wrapping your
now.
seatbelt.
He's sleeping. RJ
I just
sleeping.
wrapping your seatbelt.
Good job.
Bye. Okay. Let's go home now. Go home now, honey.
Yep. Oh, we gotta get banana.
Oh, we could.
Yeah, let's just go to Smith's.
Okay.
We're gonna go inside it.
Yep.
You
Charan!
move it in already? Yep, they got one.
Yep. People move now there. Apartment.
There's a big shortage.
Expensive this to apartment here. The train. See the train? Cannot see now.